soft, delicious chocolate chip banana bread. Coming up. Stay tuned. Okay, first of all, we're going to mix the dry ingredients. I have flour. We're going to put the sugar, baking powder, salt, baking soda, cinnamon, and nutmeg. The measurements are going to be in the description below. We're going to mix them together. Set it aside. Now we're going to crack the egg. Now I have 3 medium-sized bananas already mashed. So I'm going to combine this egg. Mix it. Now get your dry ingredients. We're going to make a well in the center. You're going to pour in the wet ingredients. Your oil. And we're going to put a little bit of this banana extract. Maybe half a teaspoon, depending on how much you like. Okay, now we're going to combine them together, mix them together. Okay, put in your chocolate chip. Don't put the whole thing because we're going to save some for the topping. Just like that. Now we're going to grab a loaf pan, spray non-stick spray, and then just put a little, dust some flour so it won't stick. Now I'm going to pour it in. And then now you can put the remaining chocolate chip on top. Now I already preheated my oven to 325 degrees because I'm using a Pyrex dish. Make sure you reduce the temperature of your oven to 25 degrees when you are using a glass or a non-stick loaf pan. So I'm going to cook my banana bread for 60 minutes. Okay, our banana bread is done. Look at that. Okay, let's try it. Moist, delicious. I made 2 pans of banana bread. One is plain and one has chocolate chip. I will see you in my next video. That's all for now.